Hi, this is Valak, and I want to tell you a little bit about CakeIO. CakeIO is a simple bookkeeping system that lets you keep track of your business and your household's money, and then run reports on where money went and where it came from. So this is designed to be very simple to use and does very simple things, but it's very powerful in the way of what kind of reports you can run. So I'll show you the reports first, and then I'll show you how it's all set up. There's three types of reports you can run. A financial summary report, which is basically a profit-loss statement. It'll just tell you how much money you had coming in this month or going out and what the profit was. You can do that on a monthly basis or annual basis. And then you can do report by account, and these reports, they actually show you where your money went, to what companies you paid, or what companies paid you and what companies you paid out to. Just totals for that month, or if you run an annual report, it'll show you totals for the year. An order by type report shows you the categories of entries that you put in. So every time you add an entry, you will assign it to a category or a subcategory. You basically create your own custom categories that you can assign each record to. So if you have money coming in for product sales, you put it into a product sales type. If you have money coming in for consulting, you put it in the consulting type. And same thing with the expenses. If it's office supplies type of expense, you put it under office supplies, and so on. And you can create these custom. So whatever type you need, you just go and create one and assign stuff to it. So here you'll see that in February we spent $24.73 on office supplies, and you can do the same thing on an annual basis and see how much money we spent on office supplies in 2011. This is just dummy information, so we spent $24.73 on office supplies in 2011. But that's about the things you can do, and it's very powerful information to help you budget your money and where your money's going, or where it's coming from, where you need to focus on to bring what's selling better and stuff like that. This really gives you a clear picture about your financial situation. So same thing on the annual, and then for all time, you can basically do the same reports on all the time, all the entries that you have, not like on monthly or annual basis, but on everything that you have in the system. To set all this up, all you do is you go to in-out, and by the way, you can set this up for a company or a household. I actually use this for our household to keep track of how much money we spend on groceries and stuff like that. And to choose a company that you want to add an entry for, you just drop this down and choose your company or your household. Click Add Company to add a new one. And then once you choose your company, then you click on In-Out, and then here you click on, if you have money coming in, click on In, Out for going out. You pick a date. You can backdate these transactions if you want to. Choose an account. Choose an existing one or create a new one by going to Add New Account, or just click on Accounts tab. Put your amount in. Same thing, choose a type. If you need to create a new one, click on Add New Type, or click on Types. And then click Add Entry. And that's then it just tells you received this much money on this date from this person for this type. And it's very, written in human language, so there's no technical stuff. Anybody can understand this. That's about it. Once you get the entries in, then you can just easily run reports on them. It's a very simple system. There's always lots of tutorials and stuff in here if you need help. There's FAQs and tutorials, video tutorials. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.